Hi friends, my name is Machindra Chate and I am your maths teacher. We are studying linear equations in two variables and we have seen how to solve such equations by elimination method or by graphical method. One more method is there and that method is called Cramer's rule. Cramer was one mathematician and he has developed this method. And to understand this method, we have to first learn one concept, and that concept is called determinant. Determinant means arrangement of numbers. So let us see determinant of two order. Two order means four numbers. An arrangement of four numbers in two rows and two columns and written in two vertical lines is called determinant of order 2. Arrangement of four numbers in two columns, two rows. Understand concept. What is meant by row? Row means horizontal. Numbers written in horizontal are called rows, and numbers written in column vertically is called column. If numbers are written horizontally one after the other, it is called row. If it is written one below one, then it is called column. So if four numbers are arranged in two rows and in two columns, then it is called determinant. It must be written in two vertical lines. So this is the definition. Usually this is written in capital letters. Determinant is written in capital letters, and in higher mathematics you will see that it is represented by sometimes delta. It is represented by delta, but that is not now. We will now represent determinant by A, B, C, D, N, P, anything, but in capital letters. And usually elements in the determinant are written in small letters. So for example, suppose A is determinant of second order. We are learning here determinant of order 2. There is also determinant of order 3. Order 3 means, determinant of order 3 means 9 numbers, 3 rows and 3 columns. That is called determinant of order 3. And you will learn determinant in higher classes or higher mathematics. We will learn here only determinant of order 2 only. So capital A is equal to A1 into A2, B1, A1, A2, B1, B2. No multiplication. This is just arrangement. A1, some space, A2. This is one row. B1, B2. This is another row. So we will say A1, A2 is first row, B1, B2 is second row. A1, B1 is first column, A2, B2 is second column. This is one determinant and it is represented by A. One more determinant, for example A, B, C, D. Here A and B is first row, C and D is second row, A and C is first column, B and D is second column. This arrangement has specific meaning. This arrangement has specific meaning, and this meaning is value of A is A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So value of determinant of order 2 is product of a number in first row and first column with number in second row and second column. A1 is number in first row, first column. B2 is number in second row, second column. So first part is A1, B2 minus subtract. What is number product of number in first row, second column and number in second row, first column. So easily we can remember like this. Okay. This A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Here similarly we can write like this: A2 AD minus BC. Value of B is AD minus BC. Very simple. It is very simple. Value of determinant is product of number in first row, first column and second row, second column minus product of number in first row, second column and second row, first column. A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This you should not forget. Determinant is required in higher mathematics and it is very important concept. So value of A is A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Value of B is AD minus BC. Now let us solve some examples. For example, suppose A is equal to 5, 3, 7, 9. A is equal to 5, 3, 7, 9. So this is determinant of 4 numbers: 5, 3, 7, 9. Rows are 5 and 3 and 7 and 9. Columns are 5, 7 and 3, 9. And its value is 5 multiplied by 9 minus 3 multiplied by 7. This is product. One column, second column is product. You know that. A plus B into A minus B. You are doing that. You are aware of that. First number into second number. This one minus this into this. So 5 into 9 is 45. 3 into 7 is 21. And minus between them. So 40 minus 45 minus 21 is equal to 24. Second determinant is n. N is equal to what? First row is minus 8 minus 3. And second row is 2, 4. This is determinant. First row, second row. First column, second column. Its value this into this minus this into this. So minus 8 into 4 minus 3 into 2. This is original minus. AD minus BC. Minus 8, 4. Minus 3, 2. Minus 8 into 4 is minus 32. Minus into minus plus 3 into 2, 6. So minus 32 plus 6 is equal to minus 26. And same way, one more determinant we are doing, and this is B is equal to 2 root 3 into 9. 2 root 3, 9. This is first row. Remember, 2 root 3 are not two separate numbers. 2 multiplied by root 3 is one number. 2 can be separate number, root 3 can be separate number, but here 2 into root 3 is one member. Second, 9. Then 2 and 3 root 3. Here 2 root 3 is one number, 3 root 3 is one number. So value of B is this number into this number, 2 root 3 into 3 root 3 minus 9 into 2. Look here, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into 3 is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. So product of these numbers is 18 and product of 9 and 2 is 18. So 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So this arrangement, this type of arrangement is called determinant. Now, how this concept of determinant is used in solving simultaneous equations that we should understand. That is very simple, because actually we are doing the same when we are solving simultaneous equations. We are doing the same thing. So let us start how to solve simultaneous. If these are two simultaneous equations, then D is equal to determinant A1, A2 and B1, B2. So first row is we have to write these values properly in determinants, and we get this equation is called Cramer's rule. Remember this in your mind. I will explain you again once. There are two simultaneous equations. A1x plus b1y is equal to c1. A2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Remember, you can write equations like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, but I have written in this form. So take this form in your mind. a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So D, we have to find three determinants: D, dx, dy. What is D? Coefficient of x, coefficient of y in first equation. What is second row? Coefficient of x, coefficient of y in second equation. This is D. What is dx? Dx is coefficient of x are replaced by constants. Coefficients of x, what is dx? Coefficient of x are replaced by constants, c1, c2, b1, b2. And dy means, in this equation, coefficients of y are replaced by c1, c2. Very simple. Dy is equal to a1, a2, c1, c2. And value is x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Very plain, very simple. You have to remember this, how to calculate d. Sometimes it is called delta. In higher mathematics it is called delta. So this is delta x, this is delta y. So x is equal to delta x upon delta y, dy y is equal to delta y. You will confuse by delta word. It is in Greek alphabets. So instead of delta, here d is taken for your convenience, and x is equal to dx divided by d and dy divided by d. So dx are not written in same line, d slightly below x, y, dy slightly below y. In your books, this is slightly written differently. So x is written par below x, dx by d, dy by d. And by substituting, finding d, dx and dy, we can place values here and find the values of x and y directly. This is the method of solving simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. Thank you.